Hi, I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, we'll be looking at the 6 best all-in-one landscaping software that can help you handle scheduling, job management, invoicing, estimates, payments, and also team communication from one place. If you're running a landscaping business, whether solo or a small crew, having an all-in-one system can save you hours every week while keeping your organization moving smoothly and profitable. Now, let's dive in. Kick things off at number 6, we have Jobber, one of the most popular software options for service-based businesses, including landscaping companies. Some key features include professional estimates and automated follow-ups, easy drag and drop scheduling and crew assignments, client hub for codes, payments, and communication. And also, if we were to quickly talk about the pros and cons when it comes onto Jobber, extremely beginner friendly, mobile app works great for teams in the field. The only pullbacks are some advanced features require higher tier plans and limited customization compared to larger enterprise tools. But I would say Jobber is best for small landscaping teams or solo landscapers who want simple, clean, client-friendly software. And if we were to look at the pricing when it comes onto Jobber, you can get started for as low as $39 per month, and it can go up to $199 per month. At number 5, we have Housecall Pro. Housecall Pro is a strong option for landscapers who care about speed and automation. Some standout features include automated invoicing and card-on-file payments, schedule, dispatch, and route optimization, follow-up reminders and marketing tools. And if we were to quickly talk about the pros and cons of Housecall Pro, first, excellent mobile experience for field technicians, great automation for payments and reminders, and there are a few pullbacks. For example, pricing increases as you add more users and fewer customization options compared to niche landscaping tools. But I would say it is best for landscapers who want fast invoicing, quick payments, and automated workflows. And you can see that their pricing option starts off at $79 per month, and it can go up to $329 per month if you have a team of 8 or more. And at number 4, we have LMN. LMN, better known as Landscape Management Network, a platform designed specifically for landscaping and lawn care business. Some standout features of LMN include detailed job costing and budgeting tools, crew time tracking with mobile check-ins, route sheet scheduling and material tracking. And if we were to talk about the pros and cons, one of the most landscaping specific platforms, and it is great for tracking materials, labor hours, and also project profitability. And if we were to quickly talk about the pullbacks, the interface feels more technical than others, and the learning curve is higher for beginners. But I would say it is best for growing landscaping companies that want accurate job costing and detailed project management. And as you can see right here, when it comes onto their pricing, it is also quite affordable. For example, you can get started for $297 per month, and it can go up to $598. We're now getting into the top 3, including the best option for growing landscapers, the best for team management, and the most complete all-in-one ecosystem. If you're finding this helpful so far, tap the like and subscribe button so you don't miss the rest of this countdown. And I've also included links in the pinned comment and description so you can try out a few of these platforms for completely free. Now let's quickly continue. At number 3, we have Yardbook, a popular budget-friendly choice built specifically for landscaping businesses. Some standout features of Yardbook include estimates, invoices, and also scheduling. It also offers a customer CRM and pipeline management feature. You'll also get access to their route planning and chemical application logs. And if we were to quickly talk about the pros and cons when it comes onto Yardbook, it is extremely affordable with a strong free tier and also built specifically for lawn care and landscaping. The only pullbacks I would say is it is not as automation heavy as larger softwares, and reporting is simpler than competitors. But I think it is the best option for landscapers who want a low-cost landscaping specific platform without losing essential features. And if we were to look at their pricing option, you can use it for completely free, and their paid plan begins at $34 per month and it can go up to $49 per month. Now at number 2 we have Service Autopilot. Service Autopilot is a robust system built for businesses that want strong automation and routing. Some standout features include advanced dispatching and route optimization, automated billing and reminders and also renewals, crew management and time tracking. And if we were to quickly talk about a few pros and cons, powerful automation tools save hours weekly, excellent for companies with multiple crews, and there are a few pullbacks. For example, higher pricing than beginner tools, and the learning curve is steeper due to advanced features. But I think it is the best option for landscaping companies that want to scale, improve efficiency, and automate as much as possible. And when it comes on to pricing, you can get started as low as $49 per month, and it can go up to $499 per month. And taking the top spot on our list is ServiceTitan, the most complete all-in-one platform for field service businesses, including landscaping companies that want enterprise-level features. Some standout features when it comes onto ServiceTitan are scheduling, dispatching, invoicing, and detailed job management, real-time GPS tracking for crews, in addition marketing, reporting, payments, and call tracking all in one system. And if we were to talk about a few pros and cons when it comes on to ServiceTitan, first, it is extremely powerful and scalable, top-tier reporting and analytics for business growth. There are a few pullbacks. For example, higher price point, best suited for teams or growing companies rather than solo operators. But I would say that ServiceTitan is best for landscaping businesses ready to scale into multiple crews, improve efficiency, and manage everything in one unified system. So if I were to give you a quick breakdown, if you're just starting out, I would recommend that you go with Jobber, or you could go with, for example, Yardbook. While if you want strong automation, I would recommend that you go with Housecall Pro, or you could go with Service Autopilot. While if you need landscaping specific job costing, I would recommend that you go with LMN. And if you are going into multiple crews, I would recommend that you go with Service Autopilot. And if you want the most powerful all-in-one system, there is none other than ServiceTitan. If you're still unsure, comment below what your landscaping business looks like, the number of clients, number of workers, and what you're struggling with, and I'll recommend the best option for your solution. Thanks for watching. Hope you found this tutorial helpful and informative.